Good morning, my gorgeous friends on the internet. In this episode, as you can see, we changed locations again. We got the candle in the back. We got everything here nicely set up for funsies. And what I want to talk about today is this misconception, because people tell me that I'm good at writing code, and how can they become so good as me, which I think is kind of funny. And we see this thing happen with a lot of other YouTubers too that do these programming kind of tutorials, and they seem to nail everything straight out of the bat. So I kind of want to prove that misconception wrong, because none of them, everybody that you know, Net Ninja, Traversy Media, everybody is struggling in a way when they're learning or they're doing a tutorial of getting actually everything right. They do a lot of research beforehand. It's not straight just like you see it in the video. So what I thought I'm gonna do today is do a few coding challenges straight out of the bat and see how well I perform, and hopefully I can show you that I'm not that good. But if you want to get good at coding, make sure to check out Skillshare.com, which is sponsoring this episode. So thank you very much to Skillshare. Skillshare is a online learning platform with over 25,000 courses out there. Oh my God, there's so much you can find there. If you're interested in coding, design, or maybe you want to make videos like this, you're gonna find a lot of video editing courses out there as well. So hey, if you want to join a creative field, Skillshare is very, very awesome. The nice thing is that it's very affordable. The annual subscription is less than $10 a month. And once you subscribe, you actually have access to all the courses. So you're not gonna feel bad for like paying for one course and then, oh, I don't like this, so I wasted my money. Nope, you sign up once and you have access to everything, which I think is the best feature of the website. And if you join the link in the description down below, you click it, you get 2 months for free, which is very awesome. You have nothing to lose. So make sure you check that out, and let's get into the episode. Okay, everybody, so let's see how well I do without Google, because that's the real question here. Okay, so I found a little something here, how to beat 5 common JavaScript interview challenges. So let's try to get through these very quickly. Okay, now they have the answers here, so you're gonna have to trust me that I didn't look at this, and we're gonna go through each one of them. So the first one is called Palindrome, which basically means, what's a palindrome? I don't know. Palindrome is a word. Thank you. And basically it says, okay, so if you spell it backwards, it's the same. So we have Rakakar here. Rakakar? It's race car. Okay, race car, and if you spell race car backwards, it's still race car. Anna, table is ablet. Okay, so it's not the same. Okay, so basically what we're doing is building this function that is gonna say, hey, this race car is palindrome. Yes, it is, boy, true. And if it's not, then it's false. Okay, makes sense? No? Okay, I'm sorry. It doesn't make sense in my head either. Okay, so how do we build that? Okay, well, let's think a bit. What I need is basically a function. Okay, so it shows here we have palindrome, and it takes in one string, okay? And then we reverse it, and if that is true, then it's good. If it's not, then it's time to go cry in the shower. Okay, let's go. Const palindrome is equal to, we're gonna do a function here that's gonna take a string. Okay, so what do I need here? I need the original string, right? This one that gets fed in. So I'm gonna just drop it into original, a variable here, string, okay? And then I need the reverse one. How do I reverse? Is there a method for this? Is there a method for this madness? Const reversed is equal to string dot reversed. Is that gonna work? No? I didn't get any autocomplete. Palindrome. Hey boy. Is it gonna explode? Not SSH. I wanna run node app.js. Oh, string.reverse is not a function. No! Okay, so this does not work. How do I reverse this? I want to Google so bad right now. I want to go on Stack Overflow and find all the people just arguing there. But find my answer, hopefully. There's not a reverse on string. What is it on? Memory, come on. I think it's on array. How do I make this an array? Okay, let's try something here. Const test is equal to blah blah blah. Okay, test dot. I want to see what methods I have on this. To lowercase. Okay, I don't need these. These are not helpful. Okay, there's more. Heh, big, a big string. No, fixed. Font color. What the? Normalize, repeat, split, match. What? What are these things? Okay. Can we like split it up and then reverse it and join it back in a weird way? Does that make any sense? Let's try that. Can I console log? What does this give me? Test.split. Alright, let's split this up. What does it say? Alright, it says split the string into substring using blah 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 and returns them as an array. Okay. So we split it up and then we can use the array reverse. What do I get? I get nothing. No. Why you do this? Split. Do I need to add like empty strings for some weird JavaScript thing? String.reverse is not a function. Where do I have... Okay, let me code this out here. Like that. Okay, let's not run that. And let's get rid of this for now. Let me just figure it out outside here. Ooh, it works, everybody. Okay. Okay, this works. It splitted this up. Let's say, hey boy. Let's see. Okay, we get it. I'm not sure why we add the empty strings here, but it's fine. It's fine. JavaScript and its own magic. Let it do its thing. Okay, so we split this up, and then what do I... Can I reverse this? Reverse? Does it work? Ooh, it works. Look at that. We can reverse, because now it's an array. And then we can join it or something. Join it back together, like that. Run. Okay. What's with the space and the commas? What does join say? Adds all elements of an array separated by a specific separator string. A string used to separate one element of an array from the next in the resulting string. If omitted, the array elements are separated with a comma. That kind of makes sense. So I just need to add empty space here as well, I assume. JavaScript. This is all you need, empty space. Yeah, there we go. We did it. Okay, so basically here what I want to do is we have, I can just say string, right? Triple equals, right? Because I'm doing if, just do an if statement maybe. String triple equals with string dot split reverse holy moly, like that, dot join. It's starting to look like jQuery here. Join like that, right? So if basically this is equal to this, then I'm gonna just console log it is, else console log false, like that. Okay, let's save. Let's take a look. Okay, let me get rid of this. We don't need this. Okay, palindrome. So basically, let's say car. Okay, this is not good. This should give me back false. It says false. Good. And if we say rock car, then this should give me back true. It is. Yay. Okay, there we go. So it works. So basically, I could have not figured this out if I didn't have my dot slash, my handy. This is actually very helpful. You know what? If you just say something like that, and then you want to just search up methods, and then you say test dot, and then you can kind of see what you can do here. Okay, very cool. Again, the problem here is not like remembering these things. It's about the way you kind of approach the problem, right? You kind of try to think of how you can solve it, and it's really not about remembering things. Okay, and if you cannot solve it, then you just Google it. Okay, so I might have passed this problem, but the interview might look at me in a weird way. Let's do another one. Let's see the result here. Where's the solution? Okay, so what he did here is just returned string dot. Okay, you don't need an if statement. Okay, this is better. Okay, Fizzbuzz. I know this one. I haven't done it in a while, but if you don't know what Fizzbuzz is basically you like loop over 100, so 1 to 100, and the numbers that multiply by 3 says fizz. If the 5, if it multiplies by 5, you say buzz, and if it multiplies by 3 and 5, you say fizzbuzz. I know, this is the stupidest thing ever. And who came up with the name Fizz and Buzz? I know Fizz is a League of Legends champion. I don't know about Buzz though. Maybe it's coming in the next patch. So okay. So what do I need? I need like a looping thing, right? Loop to 100. Loop to 100. How do I loop? I've done so many for each loops that I kind of haven't done for loops anymore. For var. Not var. Who uses var anymore? Let I. Okay, and then I is smaller than like 100, right? And then you basically increment it while it's smaller than 100. So console log I. Okay, well, let's see. We got nothing. Oh, perfect. Thank you, JavaScript. I mean, I need to set a value to this, obviously. Okay, can I get... Okay, we get 99. I need to set this to equals as well. Okay, we have 100. Perfect. So, okay, we need Fizzbuzz when it divides by 3 or multiplies. What do we need? Multiplies. Okay. 3 and 5. So that's probably the first one I'm gonna do because it goes from up to down, right? You want to see the first if statement basically holds both of them, fizz and buzz, and then you go to fizz and then buzz. Okay. So if I is, how do you do like the, how do I know if this divides by 3? There's that symbol. What is that symbol called? I don't know how the symbol looks. I forgot. Okay, no. Okay, we have plus, we have our minuses, we have our divides, and then we have our multiplies. And what else do we have? This one? No, this is, no. Is it this one? This one by 3? Like that? What does this return me? Console log fizz. Oh, no! So many fizzes. It's not working. What does this return me? Console log. Let's do 1, 3. I want to see. Okay, it gives me back 1. What if I do 3, 3? 0. Okay, so basically I want this to be equal to 0. Because if I is 3, then, okay, so let's do this, 0. And I want the and symbol, I is by 5, then we do 0 again. So this is gonna be fizz buzz, right? Let's take a look, does that work? Okay, I don't get the other ones because I need to console log those out as well. So basically I just console log out I here, right? The rest of them. Yeah, okay, does this work? So 15, yeah, that multiplies by 3 and 5. 30, okay, so it's working fine. So now it's kind of very simple, you just do 5 and 3. Else if, you just do an else if statement, y I by 5. So this, again, make sure to add the triple equals 0. This is gonna be console log buzz, I believe. And then we just do fizz. Else if I to 3, then we do fizz. Okay, that should do the trick. Does it do the trick? So we have, okay, 3, that's fizz, 5 is buzz, 6, wait a minute. Okay, so 5 should be buzz, which it is, and fizz is okay, it works. That's fine. I still get 3 here. which I shouldn't. So I should probably throw this in the else statement here. Okay. Let's run this again. Okay, there we go. So I don't get the tree anymore, because I was console logging everything out again anyway. This way, it kind of filters everything out. Okay, so something like this, that should do the trick. Let's take a look what they did here. Yeah, so just looping over and then doing Fizzbuzz. Yeah. Okay, see, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's do one more. Anagram. A word is an... Okay, I know what an anagram is. Basically, we need to hold both values here. So finder, we need to have finder here as well, but it's mixed up, okay? Hello, bye is not an anagram. So basically contain all the strings from this to the second one. I have no idea how to do this. Okay, let's try. Const, let's just create a function anagram, set this equal to, so I need 2 here. Text1 and text2, right? So what I need to do, I think I'm gonna do the splitting up again. So basically split both texts up and maybe compare the arrays, see if each of them contain the thing or something like, I don't know, let's try. Let's do text1. Let's loop over this for each character, right? I can console log out the character. Okay. And this is giving me an error here because I need to run an arrow function. What did I do here? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's fix this up. Fix it up real quick. Okay. What don't you like? What don't you like? What did I do wrong? Oh, okay, so this goes in here. The arrow escaped. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I'm confusion. You know what? Let's do it again. Text1 dot for each character. We're gonna run. There we go. Okay, now it doesn't give me an error. Console log. Sometimes it's okay to start again. Okay. Anagram, and let's just say bananagram and shenanagram. Alright, so these are not good, but I just want to see what I get here. Run. No. For each is not a function. Why is that? Okay. Because it's not an array, right? So I'm going to copy this and just do array text array is equal to text1 dot split, like that. And then we do this. And then we change this to text array. Okay, does that work? Okay, it works. So we're looping over it now. Now I need to split this up as well, I think. So let's do text array 2. I know, very original. Is gonna be text2 dot split. Alright, so we're splitting this as well. So we have both 2 arrays basically. Okay, now what do I do? Can I do like a text array 2 contains or something like that? Is there such thing? Does it contain the character from the first one? Console log, does that work? See, my memory is not good, so I cannot apply. This is why you need to search on Google to see what you can do with this. Okay, it's not a function, of course. Why would it be? I swear to God, there is something similar to this. I mean, I can use... Let's not give up yet. We are strong. We can do this. We can pass together. Can we filter? Text array 2 dot filter. Function that accepts up to 3 arguments. How does filter work? I forgot. I haven't used filter. Okay. See? Sometimes... Alright, so we have a letter here, right? A character, whatever. Let's name this differently. console log letter. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh my goodness, what's this? Shenanagram. We have shenanagram here, and then we have shenanagram again, and then just shenanagram. Okay, so I'm repeating shenanagram multiple times because it's in this for each loop. So that's not a good idea. I'm stuck. I don't want to spend 2 hours on this. So my instinct would be to just search it up, because my method is probably not going to be as good as the things I'm going to find online. Okay, I give up on this one. Let's take a look, and let's not waste time. Okay, solution. So what he does is string dot replace to lower. Oh my goodness, this is so complicated. All right, string 1, string 2, and then it turns into an object, and it gets object keys dot length dot keys dot object dot length returns false for length. Then we loop over, return false, and return true. Everybody, that's so easy. There we go. Nobody, don't. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next one. Find the vowel. Okay, the vowels are A-O. Okay, that's all you want. You can state the vowels as follows. Write a function that takes a string as arguments and returns the number of vowels contains into a string. Hello, okay, so it has 2. Why? It has 0. Okay, so basically what we want is loop over an array, I'm guessing, a string or what? Yeah, it's a string. Okay, so we kind of done this already. So this should be okay. I feel like I'm using these coding challenges use the same things. Const vowel. It's gonna take a string. Okay, and in here, what I want to do is say, wait, I don't need these. I can just say string. Like that. So string, const, let's say string dot split, right? We're gonna split it up again, so get that array. I'm gonna drop it in this text for now. Okay, and then I wanna make sure here I can use a loop, but there should be like a method that tells you if it contains one specific thing. I swear to God, there should be such a thing. Text. Let's do random books. Okay, and let's say we have Harry Potter. Actually, this is a string, so let's just do Harry Potter. Okay, so we take random this dot split. We split it first. This gives me the const book array, like that. Let me just console log this out. Book array. Okay, so we have the things right there. Okay, book array. Why is it not giving me the methods? I want to see what methods I have. I want to see what methods I have on arrays. Why are you not giving it to me? Okay. The ugly method here would be to just loop over it and check for each, basically if it has A, B, C, blah, 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 right? But I feel like that's such an ugly solution. I feel like there's a way nicer way of doing this. Like, oh, okay. Maybe we can, okay, I need filter here, right? But I don't know how filter works, I forgot. So basically, I can compare this character. So, okay, here's what's up. Here's what's up, everybody. We have the text here, and then we can say text dot for each, right? We're looping over this, and we have the character here, right? Every single character. And here, basically, I can say, what do I say? Or I don't need to call for each, I can just call filter here. Filter. And how does it work? I don't know, I need to Google. I give up. But I'm guessing you need to filter basically each character and just make sure if you have the vowel, then you would maybe add it to a new array, and then you check the length of that array, and then you get the number back, so 2, 3, or return the length of the new array that you're gonna feed the filter one in. Okay, I'm not sure if that makes any sense. But yeah, I would have to search for filter to figure this out, and I cannot. So let's take a look. There's an includes. Damn it! No! I'm done. My career is over. It wasn't contains. Includes. It wasn't contains. It was includes. Okay. All right. So he split it up here. Yeah, and just say vowels includes the character, and then count plus plus, and it just returns it. Damn it. Okay. We have failed. We have failed, but we move on. We move on to the Fibonacci. Fibonacci. The article couldn't be completed without discussion of the Fibonacci challenge, a classic poetry art by Fibonacci himself during a coding interview. Fibonacci sequence is the ordering of numbers where each number... I swear to God, I want to see this in like a live situation. All right, Ed, you're gonna have to implement us a carousel. All right, we want to improve the design of this web page. And then at the end of the day, we do Fibonacci. It never happens. I never encountered these issues. Okay, Fibonacci sequence is ordering the numbers where each number is the sum of the preceding two. For example, first 10 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Understanding the challenge. The Fibonacci challenge goes something like this. Write the function that returns the nth entry of the Fibonacci sequence, where n is the number you pass in as an argument to the function. I don't understand the challenge. The Fibonacci challenge involves iterating over the numbers of times indicated by the function's argument and returning the entry in the Fibonacci series that you find in the position. This way, stating the challenge immediately points to the iterative approach to solve this problem. Alternatively, you could try out recursion solution, which would certainly impress the interviewer. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. I don't understand this. This is so stupid. I would never do this. All right, let's look at the solution. I don't understand the challenge. Fibonacci. You take the number, you put the result 0, 1, let 1, 2, boom, boom, return result, none, you're done, boy. There we go, that's the Fibonacci challenge, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I installed Fortnite, by the way. Have you seen like the black hole? Let me show you real quick before I go. Okay. Ready? Fortnite black hole. Don't get demonetized for that. Look at that. Just a black hole. What does it mean? Do you know what it means? I don't even play Fortnite anymore, but there's this black hole. It's been like this for like 1 day. Is it Fibonacci behind this? And until next time, make sure you get one of these vanilla candles. They really light up the room and make it smell amazing. If you don't have one, you can come over and we can smell it together. That's weird.